In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp Business on desktop web version. By the end, you'll be confidently replying to customers right from your computer with everything synced to your phone. First, open your preferred web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. You should see a large QR code on the page. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a second to load or refresh the page. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and make sure your internet connection is stable. Now pick up your phone and open the WhatsApp Business app. This is important. Make sure you're using the business version, not the personal one, so all your business settings and contacts carry over. Also confirm your phone has an active internet connection. Wi-Fi is usually best for reliability. Inside WhatsApp Business, go to the menu and find Linked Devices, then tap Link a Device. Your phone may ask for your PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock as a security check. If prompted, allow camera access so it can scan the code. You'll see the camera viewfinder appear. This is what you'll use to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on web.whatsapp.com and center it within the frame. You don't need to press a shutter button. It will recognize the code automatically. If it takes a moment or shows an error, refresh the code on your computer and try again, keeping glare or reflections off your monitor to help the camera focus. Once the code is scanned, your WhatsApp Business account will link to the desktop web session, and your chats will load right in the browser. You'll see your conversations on the left and the selected chat on the right, just like on your phone. From here, you can read and reply to messages, send attachments, share photos and documents, and record voice notes with your computer's microphone. Everything stays synced with your phone so you can move between devices seamlessly. A few helpful tips as you use it. Your phone doesn't need to stay open, but it does need to remain connected to the internet for messages to sync. If chats aren't loading, check connectivity on both devices and refresh the browser tab. If you're on a shared or public computer, be sure to log out when you're done. You can unlink the session anytime by returning to linked devices on your phone and removing that computer. That's it, quick, secure, and a great way to manage conversations while you work on your desktop.